All right, let's do this one together. So let's read it carefully. First, 3 green marbles and 2 yellow marbles are placed into bags. So 3 green and 2 yellow. Okay. What is the probability of randomly drawing a green marble followed by a yellow, assuming that the first marble is replaced before the second marble is drawn? Okay. So when you pick out a marble, it's either going to be green or yellow. That's the only two possibilities, right? So what is the probability of picking out a green when you first pick one out? Well, it's 3 out of total of 5. What about yellow? Well, it's 2 out of 5. Note that together they add up to 1. Okay, and then we actually put the marble back in, the one we picked out. So next, green, right, yellow, green, and yellow. It's going to be the exact same probability. Nothing changed, right? We still have the exact same number of green and exact same number of yellow. We get 3 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 2 over 5 here. So the probability of selecting a green then yellow is this path. Green, yellow. So probability of green and then yellow is going to be 3 over 5, then times by 2 over 5, which is 6 over 25. You multiply top and bottom by 4, 24 out of 100. So in percentage, it's 24%.